Hello everyone, welcome to Vinoth Rathinam tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn about properties of matrix multiplication. And this is the continuation of previous video. So please make sure you must know the matrix multiplication, then only you can understand the properties of matrix multiplication. We already know that associative law A plus B equal to B plus A. When we do the matrix addition, you can add in any way, the output will remains the same. But when you consider matrix multiplication, this A into B will never equal to B into A. This is a very important property. How? A simple example, we have a matrix A 2 cross and a matrix B 3 cross 2. We know very well number of columns equal to number of rows 3 equal to 3. The output will be 2 cross 2, which is a known thing. For example, B is 3 cross 2 and A is 2 cross 3. We apply the rule, the number of columns in B is equal to the number of rows in A. And what is the remaining value, which is 3 cross 3. It means when you multiply A and B, you will get 2 rows 2 columns as an output, but when you multiply B and A, you will get the output as 3 rows and 3 columns. It means, so without any proof, I can directly say A into B is not equal to B into A. Then the next rule is identity matrix I. We have seen this concept in the basics. We know very well I, if it is of 2 order, the matrix will be represented like 1 0 0 1. It's a 2 cross 2. If it is I of 3 order, then it is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, which is order of 3 cross 3. So this is how an identity matrix will be represented. Now whenever you multiply identity matrix with any matrix, at that time alone you will get a same value. In this rule, when you multiply two matrix, this particular value will not be same. That is, A into B is not equal to B into A. This is, I said it before. But when you multiply with the identity matrix alone, the output will remains the same. So let's show you the proof. We have a matrix A, which is a 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2. Make sure we are checking the condition number of columns equal to number of rows. The condition satisfying, so matrix multiplication is possible. The output going to be 2 cross 2. A into I, which is equal to, we know very well, first row with the first column, then first row with the second column. Same way, second row with the first column, then second row with the second column. It is going to be 1 into 1 plus 3 into 0, then 1 into 0 plus 3 into 1, then second row 4 into 1 plus 9 into 0. Just follow this rule. Then 4 into 0 plus 9 into 1. So the output will be 1 3 4 9. It's a 2 cross 2 A I. Now we will see I dot A. Same rule, first row with the first column, then first row with the second column, then this one with the second row with the first column, then second row with the second column. Let's do the multiplication. 1 into 1 plus 0 into 4, then 1 into 3 plus 0 into 9, 0 into 1 plus 1 into 4, then 0 into 3 plus 1 into 9. The output is 1, 3, 4, 9. Just compare AI and IA. Both the values are same, which means AI equal to IA in some textbook, which is equal to A. These two properties you must remember, because in the upcoming videos we are going to see little bit complicated problems where we apply these rules. Hope you understood about the matrix multiplication and its property. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.